what you did basically, obviously you need a shampoo and you need a conditioner and you need some kind of oil. But this, let me break it down for you. If you have a spray bottle, that'd be great. This is my spray bottle right now because it's like really portable and small. But I don't like to put anything in it except water. So I have to get another spray bottle, but I haven't got another one. So in the meantime, I'm going to use like a small bottle and add the shampoo to it and have that on my hair. The process is to dilute the shampoo with water. So I already have water here, and the shampoo that I'm using is the Body Shop Ginger anti-dandruff shampoo, and it's like really great and has working well for me. And right now my like scalp is itchy and I've had some buildup of dandruff. And now is a great time to actually do a wash. So I'm going to mix some water and some shampoo. I would say that the measurement for it should be 2 parts water and 1 part shampoo. So I'm going to pop to the bathroom and you follow me to see how I'll wash the hair. And one thing I like to do is just to pre-wet the hair, like my scalp basically, before I head to the So here, as you can see, I'm starting with the diluted shampoo in the bottle and scrubbing it from the back to going from the back towards the front. And I'm scrubbing at my scalp, focusing on my scalp and trying not to let the rest of the hair get wet. And this is just like the process that you'd have to go through. And now when it comes to the front, you do the same, but you also have to like be a bit more careful when it comes to the front, just because like that's where your edges are. And so I'm just rubbing instead of scrubbing. um and that's just what I'll do. Mind you, this hair is 3 weeks gone already, and whenever I'm doing my braids, I don't make it the front tight, just so that like there isn't too much tension already. So just keep rubbing for the front. And now that it's time to rinse, you rinse off carefully while like holding the hair away from you. And I'm drying off, and at this point you follow up with a conditioner. So here I'm going in with the castor oil and I'm rubbing that on my scalp and the rest of my hair, at least to where my hair ends. And then I'm using the hair butter and using that on where my hair ends, not on my scalp. And just rub that through and make sure like it coats everywhere. Here I go in with the edge control. So the edge control is basically meant to smoothen and hold down your edges. And I just use this sparingly because at the end of the day, it's not like very effective in holding down my hair. I use more of a gel, but for edge control, it's just to just hold it down at this moment. And if you notice, my hair in front isn't very tight, and that's because whenever I do my braids or twist or whatever hairstyle, I'm not very tight with the front part because I know eventually like it's going to pull, and I don't want the pull to be so much, just so that because my edges are really fragile and I do braids a lot, so I'd just rather not make it very tight in front. So that's why it's not as tight as if you do it in a salon, for example. After applying the edge control, you just keep start brushing it basically, which is what I'm doing here. And you just like brush. If you have a toothbrush, whatever brush you have, just use it and do it however way you want your edges to be. So if you want like the baby hairs, this is where you go in. But I just like a natural finish. And here I'm going in with a scarf. So the scarf obviously is just to like hold everything down and make sure everything stays in place. And I don't think you should miss this process at all. Just whenever you're trying to lay your edges with either gel or edge control. So just tie it down and then leave it for as long as you want to, but it has to be over like 10 to 15 minutes. Um, yeah, I'm just playing around. Anyways, you take it out and it's fine. For me, this is okay for me just because I don't really like to play with tight edges again. So if to you it doesn't look like the edges are like super laid, it's fine. For me, this is okay. And I like it like this, just something that's not too tight on from front of my hair. And there you go. My scalp is clean. It's no longer itchy. It's not dry, and it's just like really good for me. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you, and bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.